All right. So basically, this is one of the examples from my voice agent using a Nathan. And basically, what this current workflow is currently doing is getting a HubSpot form submission, and then basically being triggered right here, and then waiting a little bit of time. It's cool because it's color coded as well, so you can see that like the legends, input, main, output, error handling, and developing. And basically, we have some validations right here to check if we have like some we are releasing with some phases. For example, just the company with 1 to 50 teammates, and then later on like to 1 to 200 and so on. So basically we have some validations right here, as well as the current region we're validating. And then we're also analyzing what's the current language from the country. So basically just doing simple classification right here, and then getting some of the data from the HubSpot right here, parsing a little bit of in the webhook, and then basically we're doing the outbound call, which is basically we're using 11 Labs as well as I develop with Cloud Talk, and I can show you later. And basically this is triggering 11 Labs, sorry, and then it's currently waiting for a little bit, like some seconds, and then it's getting the status. If we have like a negative status, basically it's going to the right here. So it's logging. In the green is basically the output, as you can see right here, and we're basically getting some information, doing some API request, getting formatting a little bit the SMS data, and then basically generating the SMS data based on the current conversation from the call. In this case, kind of like an error, something like happens, and basically later on I'm sending an SMS message. And then if the person takes the call and is currently talking, basically I'm going to loop within some iterations right here, things like 10 iterations, and then basically wait until that's done, because 11 Labs doesn't have directly integration with HubSpot. So what I'm doing is uploading the current call for HubSpot, like saving as a file, and then getting the parameters, and then later on I'm creating like logging the call with that specific call data right here, and then basically I'm formatting again and then sending another SMS message. So basically this is the current workflow. And also like we have an error pipeline, which is basically if anything goes wrong, basically it's going to trigger this and start it's going to send me an email with the current information from the pipeline, the error, and how to debug. Another thing as well that I showed is basically another pipeline, simple pipeline. Basically, it's just the testing 11 Labs. So for example, we have some AEs that are currently testing the pipeline so far, the 11 Labs agents, and then basically they need to trigger. So I just created a simple form so that the person can put the first name, phone number, language, agent, and then like what like language he wants to be testing, like Hindi, what's the agent, and then just submitting. And basically when you submit, the agent's going to call you, and yeah, that's it.